Madume tsala ya me. O amogetswe mo thutong e. Ke tshepa o ipaakantse sentle. On this one, you will learn about what to say when you want to state your abilities and know-how. This lesson is taken from the ebook called Setswana Sentence Starters. In this ebook, you will learn over 180 Setswana sentence starters, translated to English. Remember, a sentence starter is a little phrase used to start a sentence, and it carries the message of the sentence. These are phrases such as I am, I want, I hope, I do not, and so on. It is important to learn sentence starters so as to improve your vocabulary. So in this lesson, we are going to use these sentence starters. I am able to. I am not able to. I know how to. I do not know how to. Let us look now at the examples of each. We start here with I am able to in Setswana. That would be ke kgona go. Here are some examples here. Ke kgona go roka. I am able to sew. Ke kgona go kgweetsa. I am able to drive. Ke kgona go roka. Ke kgona go kgweetsa. If you want to say that you are not able to do those things, you use the sentence starter ga ke kgone go. Ga ke kgone go. That would be ga ke kgone go roka. I am not able to sew. Ga ke kgone go kgweetsa. I am not able to drive. So the sentence starter shows the person who is listening to you that you are not able to do the actions you are talking about. Moving on, we now move to the sentence starter, I know how to, which translates to ke itse go. So the examples here would be ke itse go opela, which would translate to I know how to sing. Ke itse go beola, translating to I know how to cut. And beola is a specific word used for hair. Beola means to cut hair. In that case, what if you do not know how to carry out these actions? You would use the sentence starter ga ke itse go. Ga ke itse go opela. I do not know how to sing. Ga ke itse go beola. I do not know how to cut hair. So sentence starters thus far are useful. So are the many others in the ebook. Sentence starters essentially carry the message of the sentence, as I said before, as well as the meaning thereof. So just like it is important to learn words to get fluent in the language, sentence starters are also important. The ebook acts like a mini dictionary for sentence starters. Get yourself a copy. A re kopane mo nakong e tlang.